In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Salesforce leads directly from your Gmail for any new emails you receive. This is an incredibly useful skill to streamline your sales process, and if you've never done it before, don't worry, I'll walk you through each step to make sure everything is crystal clear. To begin with, let's first open up your Gmail account. Make sure you're logged into the account from which you'll be managing your leads. Over on the right hand panel of your Gmail interface, you'll see a little plus button. Go ahead and click that. This opens up a set of possible add-ons that you can integrate directly with Gmail. Now in the search bar, type in Salesforce connector. What we want to do is locate and install this connector. It acts as a bridge between Gmail and Salesforce, allowing us to manage our contacts effortlessly. Once you've found it in the search results, click on it to start the installation process. Once the installation is completed, you should see a new Salesforce icon appear in your right panel. Click on this new Salesforce option. If this is your first time using it, you'll need to log in with your Salesforce credentials. Make sure you have those handy. Enter your username and password and log in to establish the connection between Gmail and your Salesforce account. With everything set up, let's proceed to open a new email in Gmail. Look at the email content and notice that over on the right panel, where the Salesforce connector is now active, it will begin to show any matching records that exist in Salesforce. This matching is based on the email addresses and potentially other data within the email content. In situations where the Salesforce panel finds no matches, you can effortlessly create a new lead by navigating through the right panel and clicking on Lead. Once you do that, the system will helpfully autofill data such as the name and email address from the content of the email you're viewing. This autofill feature helps to save time by pulling in available information automatically without you having to enter it manually. Finally, after reviewing the information to ensure everything looks correct and complete, just click Submit. And there you have it, a new Salesforce lead has been created from your Gmail. This integration dramatically simplifies the process, ensuring that you never miss an opportunity to add a potential customer to your Salesforce records. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you feel more comfortable using the Gmail to Salesforce integration to manage your leads. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe for more insights and tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep those leads coming.